Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to set up different paper size in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first you have to open your InDesign software. Now we can see here some pages to this document. Now you want to set the different paper size. Go to the file menu and select the document setup option, and we can see here the document setup. Now we can see here the paper size option. Now you want to change the paper size different, click the drop down menu and we can see here the many different size. Now I am select the tabloid option and click OK. Then we can see here the different size of the page. Now we can see we change the paper size different very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.